Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all are pretty fine and doing very well. Today I am back with a very stunning and classic collection of crochet made top design ideas for summer wear. I hope so this video gonna be very useful for you, so just watch this video till the end to get new ideas and new designs. Very beautiful, stylish and unique styles of crochet made top summer wear you will see in this video within different color, different style and different designing. All these summer wear crochet made top designing is totally different from one another. I hope you can get many ideas of top blouse from this video. If you are loving this design in this video, so please do also like my video and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to tell me in the comment section how was this video, how was these designs, and which type of more collection you want to watch on my channel, which type of more videos will be useful for you. So keep supporting me by visiting my channel. If you are loving this design, please do support me by sharing my video with your friends, with your relatives, so I may bring more useful videos and more useful ideas for you. So thank you so much dear friends for watching my video. Keep visiting my channel for more videos, for more ideas and more collection, and don't forget to like and share my video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and also give your feedback in the comment section. So goodbye dear friends, till the next video. See you soon with a new collection of ideas and designs for you.